Which aircraft did you learn to fly on? The North American Harvard, also known as the T-6 Texan, trained hundreds of thousands of pilots worldwide during World War II and beyond. Its robust design, reliability, and performance made it an ideal platform for training pilots for various aircraft types. Utilized extensively by the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and numerous other nations, the Harvard played a pivotal role in the development of aviation, shaping the skills and experience of countless aviators. So what did you learn on